discussion. Let's read the problem. Find three consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 18 and the sum of their squares is 140. It's very similar to problem 13, but only difference is that here they are giving it as square sum of squares. Anyway, let's start marking. It's an AP, sum is 18 and the sum of their squares is 140. Okay, so sum equal to 18, sum of squares equal to 140. And we are asked to calculate three consecutive numbers. So the hint is we'll use the three numbers as a minus d, a and a plus d. Okay, step 1, that's what we are assuming. Now the problem starts. So let's add the three numbers, that is a minus d plus a plus d equal to 18, because that's our two information which they have given. Sum is 18, sum of their squares is 140. We have to use them only to get the answer, right? So a minus d plus a plus d equal to 18. So minus d and plus d will get cancelled. So we'll get a plus a 2a, 2a plus a is 3a, 3a equal to 18 and a equal to 6. We have found a. We have to find d. Okay, for that only they are giving you the additional condition. The sum of the squares is 140. The square of a minus d is a minus d the whole square, a square, a plus d the whole square. Sum of those three is a minus d the whole square plus a square plus a plus d the whole square equal to 140. Now what you have to do, you have to expand them. Okay, you can now another way is, okay, substitute the value of a here. So this becomes 6 minus d the whole square plus 6 square, 6 plus d the whole square will be equal to 140. Then you will get an equation in terms of d. Solve that equation and get the value of d. Once you get the value of d, then it is easy to get the three numbers, because the three numbers are a minus d and a plus d. Okay, right, pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own. After working, come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, this solution is here. Sum of the three numbers in AP is given as 18. Product is 140. Let the three numbers be a minus d, a plus d. Okay, so the sum of them is a minus d plus a plus d equal to 18. Minus d and plus d will get cancelled. You get 3a equal to 18 and a equal to 6. And what's the second condition? They say sum of their squares equal to 140. So what will be the square? The square of a is a square, square of a plus d is a plus d the whole square, sum of a minus d the square is a minus d the whole square. So it is a minus d the whole square plus a square plus a plus d the whole square. The individual terms are squared, okay, equal to 140. Now you expand this using a minus b the whole square formula. So this will be a square minus 2ad plus d square plus a square. This will be a square plus 2ad plus d square. And you can see this and this will get cancelled. So you will get a square plus a square plus one more a square. So okay, a square plus a square plus a square, 3a square, and d square plus d square will be 2d square equal to 140. We know a equal to 6. So substitute that value here and simplify it. We will get 3 into a square, that is 3 into 6 square plus 2d square equal to 140, or 2d square will be 140 minus 3 into 6 square, that is 3 into 36. This is 108. 140 minus 108 is 32. So d square equal to 16, or d will be equal to plus or minus 4. Okay, so using a equal to 6 and d equal to 4, you will get one set of answers. Using a equal to 6 and d is equal to minus 4, because d has got two values, either it is 4 or minus 4. So you have to use them here. So we get the three numbers when you take a equal to 6 and d equal to 4. The three numbers will be a is 6, a plus d, that is 6 plus 4 is 10, and this is a minus d, that is 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2, 6, 10. Now come to this one, a is again 6 and d equal to minus 4. So this is a plus d, so it will become a minus d because d is minus 4. So 6 minus 4, this will become 2, but whereas this side it will be a minus d, but d itself is minus, so it will become 6 minus of minus will become plus, so 6 plus 4, so it will become 10. So 10, 6 and 2. Okay, so you got the answer here. So you have two sets like the previous problem, because d square is a square, d comes in terms of square, so you'll have two values. Okay, so as usual the key term is you have to assume the three terms to be a minus d, a and a plus d, add them up and equate to the given value. Then they have given the squares, sum of the squares, that is a minus d the whole square, a square and a plus d the whole square. These are the squares of the three terms. Add them up and equate it to the given value. So solve these two equations, you'll be able to get the value of a and d. Once you get a and d, you can write those three numbers. Okay, I hope you got the problem right. If not, please check where it is not correct and make suitable corrections. Okay, if you have not understood the concept, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to understand it clearly. Unless your concepts are clear, you will not be able to do the problem. Thanks for watching the video.